Some bobos. Flipping weather, it's flipping bananas. I think, are we going slow because it's scooter or?
It's not the scooter, it's the thingy.
Since we're going so slow, I'm going to attempt, I want to put my sunglasses on.
Oh god, this could end in disaster.
Can't be as disastrous as that Peugeot earlier.
That was a good recovery though, to be fair, I'll give you that.
Yeah, I'm a flipping professional.
Pixieland.
Pixieland, that's where Hippodromes belongs because it's so short.
Go on, is he going to go for it, you think? What do you think the horsepower on it is?
About 9.
It's going to be sub 10, ain't it?
I don't have GPS on, so I don't know if... Oh, we're using drop-off system, aren't we?
Yeah. That's not hard, it's not a hard route.
Is he going to go for it? He's going to go for it! He's going for it! Oh, come on! Oh, no.
I'm about to say, I wouldn't go until he's gone.
That's some mighty power from the little Suzuki.
That was flipping magnificent. He must be the only person in history to get an overtaking on a scooter. And half of it's duct taped up. Maybe it's so fast because the duct tape's making it streamlined. Look at this little scooter. I love it. It's flipping going for it. Whee!
I'm surprised you've not gone round and getting some 360 footage.
Shall we go past him?
Oh, you drop past him and see if you can get him some 360 footage. I reckon some 360 footage of that would be good. Oh, look at that view.
I could just see the Triumph with the automatic brake light blinking away in the distance.
It's a cracking road though, isn't it?
Dartmoor is wonderful if you can get the... When you get the view and the visibility, it really is.
It really is Himalayan country.
Oh, since Pete's overtaken him, I'm not as worried now. I thought Pete will put in his video like, oh, that Pooley flipping overtook that poor scooter. He was going as fast as he could. I needed to get the shot though, that was flipping mint. I love that, just bouncing over the flipping Dartmoor moors, I guess. It was flipping fantastic, that was. It's going to be ever so funny on the camera.
I thought, well, maybe get some footage of him, one so that he can see it. Because let's face it, unless you pay somebody like Bike Pics, when do you ever get pictures and video of yourself?
Yeah.
And two, cool little shot.
Oh, what you want about? Flipping, I'm charging you, so...
Oh.
Yeah. 20 quid a minute.
No, no, does the...
Do I take American Express?
Fucking hell, not that rich.
Does 10 minutes behind the bike, behind the bins count?
Oh, I'll tell you what, since we're on way to Launceston, I'll let you have that. Yeah, flipping 10 minutes, that'll sort you out. You're square then.
Nothing like trying to shove a square peg in a round hole. Oh, and here we are, back down at Two Bridges. We could have turned off and gone back to the campsite. We'd only been off an hour.
What do you want to carry on to Tesco's?
Yeah, we'll go to Tesco's.
It's always nice to finish the ride at the same place you start.
What's that over there?
Where?
That? It looks like a big flipping crater.
That was the bull. It was the bull. It was parked on soft grass.
Yeah, well, is that where its side stand was?
Yeah.
Flipping it. That's like the first campsite where my bike was sinking when I turned it on because of vibration. We're just digging it in. It was just getting lower and lower.
That's why I got off the CB and I stood on the opposite side. I was like, well, if it goes, I'll just have to take it from you.
Look at that, there's like a patch of blue right in the middle. Flipping, we need to ride into that.
Pooley, I've got something to tell you.
What's that?
I need a wee.
You need a wee? Oh, you're joking. Well, is this Willie's? You could stop for an ice cream.
I had to resist the urge to get a second one.
Or shall we keep going to Launceston?
Yeah, we'll keep going, keep going.
It's Willie's!
Is it the Willie?
It is the Willie!
Oh.
Oh, fantastic view. I think I'll have to wipe the lens
with the
first.
sun, with the sun coming in it as well. Yeah, this was worth riding back to Launceston just for this.
Flipping looks a bit bleak over there though.
It does. Here comes the sun.
That's probably where our campsite is there.
Our campsite's back the other way, mate.
Are we coming back up this exact road?
Yep.
Although I might, do I go for the A30? I might go for the A30.
Done that many a time, that section.
I'm just thinking, do I do an hour and a bit, or do I go and do 45 minutes?
I'd rather do this, to be fair.
I was speaking to Rhythmic Biker with his ZZR 1400, and
He's not overly enjoyed some of the routes.
Yeah, is he here today then?
yeah, he's on that big ZZR 1400 that's behind Hippodromes.
I'm going to say, because I know his bike, it's dead iconic, but I can't say that I've seen it.
Yeah, he's been down it.
Yeah, no, that little bit where it got a bit twitchy, he was really not enjoying himself there.
Twitchy?
Where you got your arse
yeah.
end got a little
Yeah.
twitchy. He was not enjoying that section.
He says he's been in third gear for all but in 3 seconds.
Oh, I know why Exeter Rider did the drop off. It's because we're just one group now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you not listen to anything Saddlebags said before we left?
You know how they get everyone together? They're like, come around, everyone. We've got some big important announcement. Yeah, I kind of like had a bit of a monged out and forgot what he said. No, it's only just, my brain's only just received it.
Fuck, you know, and you ride a motorcycle?
Yeah, my brain's like Internet Explorer.
Obsolete.
And slow.
Yeah, I bet Rhythmic Biker's loving this section.
Yeah. It's probably thinking, why is there a DeVille keeping up with us?
Yeah, I'm getting outpaced by I'm having to pace a DeVille.
By DeVille with a flipping javelin on back. Wonder stick, it's flipping gives me more horsepower, that thing does.
Right, I'm going to try and get some footage of everyone.
Yeah, flipping tootle on past.
I should have gone there a bit more.
Bet Rhythmic Biker's thinking, oh, I'm going to get some nice shots of me on 360, but I think it's died. It's getting dead close. He thinks it's on, he does. He definitely thinks it's on. I mean, it might be alright, but it might not at the same time. He's keeping up, it's like dead close. I was so laughing if it's not on.
Yeah,
I hope it is, don't get me wrong, I hope it is, because he's got a cracking bike.
Oh, you know what would make me laugh? If it dies just as he gets up to it.
Yeah. You know, so when I edit the video and I've actually got the footage in, and I just cut like that camera angle just slowly goes off to the floor or something, like it's dropping down.
Yeah.
Or just like cut it out and put camera not in use or whatever, black screen, just a bit of text.
Back camera offline.
Memory card not detected.
There we go, we're coming down to the bridge now. light will be red by the time we get down here.
Well, I think it's still flashing, Chris.
Is it?
Hey, you're gonna have some good shots of you on that. I thought it were dead. I bet he's still in first gear. I was flipping, winding it through the gearbox. I bet he's still in first gear, just thinking like, flipping.
I mean, this thing redlines at 8,500, and I was taking it up to 7,500, 8,000. There's a change. Oh, change. What did I get up to it then? Oh, I made it up to 5th.
I was in 5th gear straight away. Ran out of gears.
I knew the sprinter got a good. I know the sprint took off, and I knew I'd have to wait a while. I was like, I can get a good shot on this. I enjoyed that. And there we are. We've made it back to Launceston.
Yeah, that's the end.
Or Launceston, as I think Hippodrome's called it. Alright. Take care, goodbye.
Let's see if I can reverse without crashing into this fence.
I enjoyed that last bit. I think it's that last where we turned right, that last right turn we took.